Welcome everyone guys, how are you? I'm Fausto Carnevale, today from Italy. Maybe you can see the sun. And in this video I would like to summarize why now in 2024, I'm recording this video in April 2024, we are almost in May. Just for your information, tomorrow is the 25th of April, it's a holiday in Italy. And now, why this year? It's very easy to move to Italy. I invite you to watch the video that Andrea did just earlier this week about the digital nomad visa, which can be very interesting to you. And if you don't know yet, because we had a consultancy call with a client, there is also another type of visa. So if you are not a European, you can invest in one company and move to Italy. This is quite easy to find on the internet. Of course, if you need then a specific consultancy call, you can book via the description. So this is the first step, because it's easy. And if you move to Italy then, if you're from another country, extra EU, you can easily apply and open a VAT. So as a physical person, this is not a company, I would like to remind this to you, you can have the Forfait Regime, Regime Forfettario. And again, this is not a company. This is the only way to pay. You can see the sun, right? So this is the proof that I am in Italy. You can pay 5% of taxes plus 26% of social contribution, but combined to the deductibility code, you will pay at the end 22%. Because you know, for instance, if you are an IT consultant in Italy, you pay taxes. You don't pay taxes on top of your 100% revenues, but on top on the coefficient of profitability. For instance, if you are an IT consultant, they assume that if you earn 10, 7.8, so the 78% is your profit. So you pay the tax on that. The forfait regime is one of the best way, unless you have another business and you have a lot of costs, real costs. You have to pay attention, of course, if you earn more than 85,000 euro. But as a starting point, this is the best tax regime in Italy. Even better than the unwanted regime, I can say, if you earn around 85,000 euro. And there is no limit for entrance. You can move today, you can open the VAT in 6 months. The only thing, and also another step, is that you have to be, in order, you have to declare in Italy all the assets that you have abroad. This is another thing. So always remember to double check with your accountant if, for example, you're from Canada, United States, or other country, how is the withhold tax that you pay if you move from, for instance, Canada and you have dividends? Because I had a similar case yesterday, and this person has a lot of dividends from Canada. So in Italy, you pay taxes. Yes, there is also maybe a withhold tax in Canada. So what will happen? This is a thing that you have to double check. You can find in the link in the description a video of me, a free video, in which you can see all the specific things about the unwanted regime. What you can combine also, and why it is also easy in Italy, because you can also apply for the 7% flat tax for pensioners. What you cannot combine, so this is the conclusion, you cannot combine the unwanted regime and the 7% flat tax, for instance. You cannot do it. You cannot combine the forfait regime and the unwanted regime, of course, because you have always, I remember this because this is very important. This is you as a physical person. It is not you as a legal company. You as a physical person have a VAT number. You, Fausto Carnevale, one VAT number, okay? And when you do the tax declaration at the end of the year, tax return, you, based on the invoices, you will apply based on if you added the VAT or not. We can see, they can see the tax authority. Hopefully, we always hope that they don't do a lot of checks because it's a waste of time. They can see if you are a forfait regime or an unwanted regime. But the unwanted regime is a normal regime, okay? But as you can see now, today I'm enjoying here Italy, as you should do. If you have questions before moving to Italy, you can book a consulting call in the description, and you can also see my free video consulting that I recorded for you. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your staying in Italy.